Calling all creatives in the photo and video space, are you making these common mistakes that could be holding you back from reaching your full creative potential? Stay tuned as we uncover the top blunders that might be sabotaging your success in the creative world. From fuzzy purpose to playing it too safe, I got you covered on how to break free from these creative traps and unlock your true artistic greatness. So get ready to level up your game and captivate your audience like never before. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of creative self-discovery. All right, number one is playing it too safe. One of the biggest mistakes I've noticed is creators and myself, we play it too safe. Taking risks can be scary, especially when it comes to showcasing your creative work. But guess what? Playing it safe won't help you make waves or spark innovation. So my advice to you is to embrace experimentation and push your boundaries. That's where the magic happens. You got to step outside that comfort zone. Number two is fuzzy purpose or lack of direction. One major mistake is not nailing down a clear purpose or message in your creative work. Without a strong objective, it's tough to create something that truly connects with your intended audience and actually makes an impact. Number three is the fly by the seat of your pants approach. And oh gosh, I've done this before. Sometimes there's a tendency to dive headfirst into a project without proper planning or organization. But trust me, you don't want to go that route. Taking the time to lay out a solid plan, set deadlines, and establish a structured workflow will make the creative process way smoother and less chaotic. Number four is ignoring your audience. It's easy to get caught up in our own creative bubble and forget about the people that you're trying to reach. And it's crucial to understand your target audience. You need to know their interests, their preferences, their needs, and creating content that genuinely resonates with them is what it's all about. Number five is lacking that wow factor. Oh, the wow factor is huge. In a world saturated with creative content, being original is a game changer. Don't settle for blending in or mimicking existing ideas. Instead, bring fresh perspectives and unique concepts to the table. Now that's the secret sauce. That's how you will really stand out from the crowd. Number six is ignoring feedback and growth opportunities. It's tempting, so tempting, to be defensive and protective of your ideas, but being open to constructive criticism is essential for growth. Number seven is overcomplicating things. Sometimes less is more. And I hear this a lot, especially from my wife. Overloading your work with excessive details, convoluted narratives, or cluttered designs can confuse and overwhelm your audience. Embrace simplicity, clarity to ensure your message shines through loud and clear, not your clutter. Number eight is lack of discipline and consistency. Developing your skills as a creative requires discipline and consistency. It's easy to get distracted or lose focus, but staying committed to your craft is crucial. Avoid procrastination, set goals, keep pushing forward. Trust me, you'll see the progress. We all make mistakes. It's part of the creative journey. Learn from them, adapt, and keep honing your skills. Embrace your unique voice and passion, and the world will take notice of your creative brilliance. This is what I had to really embrace and really go hard at until I finally realized that I had a voice and I had the lane. Like I was in the Ferrari going down an Autobahn and I was like, ooh, I got my lane. I found my lane. Don't let these common mistakes hold you back any longer. It's time to unleash your true potential and create remarkable work that leaves a lasting impact. Start by smashing that like button, share this video with fellow creatives, and let us know in the comments which mistake resonated with you the most. Together, let's overcome these hurdles and embark on an exciting journey towards creative mastery. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and valuable tips that help fuel that creative fire. Now go out there and create something extraordinary. Until then, keep those candles cooking. Till next time.